Watch me try to scare my dog.
Okay, that's not supposed to.
I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it.
No! No!
Mom! I caught a seagull! Oh my god, let it go.
Hi! Hello, dear!
Yeah. Yeah, he's got a burger. Holy shit. Holy shit.
Show mama.
Let's see it. Fail. Max, you running too damn slow. Speed up, long head, bitch.
¿Qué pasó?
Hey, oh, you scared me, Jesus.
Your breakup. We gotta lose plan. Don't worry, I'll tell him.
What in the hell? Luca?
Oh, hell no. You got me up, bro.
Brandy!
Tank.
Huh?
Oh my god.
It's just...
What did you do? I guess you figured out how to get the toilet paper. Jesus Christ.
What intonation?
Quit! Don't you get away from me. We're not friends anymore. You gotta have a permit for that.
Hey mate, got a job for you. Gee mate.
Parkour!
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god!
Oh, the...
Oh
What are you doing? Roll over. You fat hunk of shit. Come on. There we go. Oh, on the piss, on the piss. You'll end up in the drink, man. Oof.
Look at this loser in a cage. Gee whiz.
Crayon.
Police department, search warrant.
Like,
They
really?
about to literally tug a war on my sock like, get your ass on my goddamn Duck. Fa la la. Ow! What you doing? Güey, imagínate que luego... Hang on, it's a hip. It worked! The dog just licked me, mama. The dog just licked me!
And this is what happens when a peacock can't see you. So you pinch the butt.
Send them.
Send them.
He wants the houseboat too. Ding, 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 ding.
Somebody come get her. She's dancing like a stripper. Hey, somebody.
This family makes me want to murder people.
Oh, darling.
You won't let me go there. Look. You do so look.
This family makes me want to murder people.
Look at her head. She's so weird. You're weird.
Nice.
Whoa. Whoa.
Ow.
Are you serious? The f is he planning on doing? Catching a bird? For real though. Drop it. Aspen,
Just drop it. Drop it.
Hell yeah, Robin! Oh my god, Robin! So cute. Silly goose, Robin. You're so cute. Look at go. Look at go. Let's celebrate. We're gonna have a good time tonight.
Oh my god. Come on, buddy. I'm coming to my
Hey, come here. Hey, what in the hell? Why are you purple? What did you do?
Look what I can do.
Oh, straight.
Hey man, that fish look good. Oh shit. I want it. Don't do this, Harold. Come on, man. Don't do this. I want the fish. Come on, bro. We vegetarians now. Come on, Harold. Get him in the water. Get him in there.
Oh my gosh.
Damn, boy.
You want this one? No? What about this one? No? Neither? What about this one? Oh, no?
Do you want this? Do you want this? You want it? Say yes. Say yes. You want it? Yeah? You want it?
Oh my god. No, 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 no. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. No.
Flipping over the food of the dogs. She has all the power. Oh, you win!
Dog, no way. Dog, no fucking way. What the f?
Jesus.
Can I help you, sir?